So I was chatting with Mitch, the founder of Kondo, the other day, and not the other day now, it was a few weeks ago. But he blew my mind when he told me that Kondo actually has an MCP server built into it. So if you don't know what Kondo is, basically it's a LinkedIn management tool. So it's specifically designed to make the LinkedIn inbox much easier to use. And it really delivers on that. It's a fantastic product. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kondo so that it will intermittently check your inbox and draft replies for you so that when you go to reply to people, you don't have to start from scratch. But before we get into it, let's take it up a layer. AI, what you can do with it is unbelievable. The sky is really the limit when it comes to what AI can do for you. But when it comes to business development and specifically growing with LinkedIn through outbound conversations, it's my personal opinion that the worst thing you can possibly do, even though it's possible, is to let an AI jump in and start speaking for you on your behalf. An approach I much prefer and that I always recommend to our clients as well is that you use a human in the loop approach. And what I mean by human in the loop approach is that get AI to actually do the first pass draft for you to then review and send. That way you're across all of the conversations, but you're not having to literally sit there and type everything out. So when you use Kondo and you use Claude together, you can have a really powerful system that is really easy to manage internally without having to rely on any third parties. And that's what this video is all about. So let's get stuck in. So what you're going to want to need to make this work is you'll obviously need a Kondo account. If you don't have Kondo, this is Kondo here. You'll see it's much more inviting than the LinkedIn inbox. It allows you to, label people, see where they're at. It can connect in with your CRM. Very good product. So you'll need a Kondo account. I'll leave a link to my referral link so you can get a free month to try that out. And you're also going to need Claude Cowork on your desktop. So super easy to set up the MCP server. So an MCP server, for those who aren't familiar, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. And what it is basically it allows Claude or OpenAI or whatever your LLM of choice is to speak to your apps and get them to do things that you want them to do. It's literally a technology that's only been developed in the last couple of months as of the time of recording this video. So what you want to do is go into your Claude account. You want to go to settings and customize connectors, right? So we're going to go in here to our settings. I already have this set up, but I'm going to show you where to go anyway. So you tap on your name, tap settings, go to connectors, and you want to add a custom connector. So in here, this is where you're pasting this. Okay, so you want to take your try Kondo /MCP. Let's jump back in here. So this is the URL here, and you can name it, Kondo. And in terms of you don't need to worry about the advanced settings, but once you press add, it will basically take you through the process to log into Kondo so that it'll then be able to access it. Now, once you have that enabled on your Claude Cowork desktop app, what you do then is you go in, you create a specific project for LinkedIn, and then you can literally say, I'm going to say adjust, but you can say create. Can you adjust the Kondo schedule? Tell me what the timings are now and when they go out. Okay, so you can see here at the moment I have it scheduled at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. It'll basically go through my inbox, draft replies, and then rather than having to think of things from scratch, I'll be able to go into my Kondo interface here and then just reply to people as I normally would. Now, the big thing to be mindful of here is you need to have Kondo open in your Chrome browser, and you need to have your laptop on and the desktop app of Claude also on. All three of those things need to be on for you to be able to get this to work effectively. Now, sadly, at the time of recording this, Kondo actually doesn't have a mobile app. So this has to get done. These tasks have to get done at your desk. But what I've managed to do is I've created my own app to help manage conversations in a mobile fashion on Telegram specifically. So I'm going to link you to the video that allows me to, from the time of receiving a message from a client, be able to get the context of the entire conversation, give me that context, draft a reply, add that person to my CRM, create a deal, all in 48 seconds. I'll link you to that video now so you can check it out. I'll see you there. Bye.